Hello guys, welcome, and this is a Yale 20, let's get a focus on that. It's a Yale 23 series door closer. And the interesting feature, look at this. The parallel on the shoe is that 3-point shoe head, but it's got the parallel arm bracket, the weird parallel arm bracket. We'll demonstrate this. Yeah, I adjusted it to go that speed. When I got here, it was slamming, and I thought it leaked, but I turned the screw, the valve in, and it worked. And this is only one adjustment now. And I tried to get the latch to go slower, but I can't get the latch to go slower. Yo, look at you now. And I'll get you one last view. Beat it. You can comment if you like the speed. So anyways, that's it.